Hey guys, today we're gonna have a pool party! Hey, look! Our pool's turning into lava! Oh! But we're not gonna let this lava ruin our party. Everybody, grab a floaty. Ready, set, go!
Woo! I have my sleepy sloth. Wake up!
I got this cute ducky.
And I got a unicorn. And I got the rainbow pineapple.
We will get in one at a time. But remember, the pool is lava, so don't touch the water.
I'm the first one in. I definitely do not want to get wet. That wasn't so bad after all.
He made it look so easy, but I've been on this duck before, and it's a little hard to stay on. Wish me luck.
All right, you guys, Savannah. Mine's gonna be pretty hard too, but yours will be.
I did it! Guess I'm a lucky ducky.
I got on!
Woo, Lizzy! Good job!
Last but not least, my turn. Woo!
Good job! Man, this is the best pool party ever. But it's not a real party without some games.
Ready? 3, 2, 1.
First game. Whoever can get the most rubber duckies in 30 seconds wins a point. Whoever has the most points at the end of the party wins. Ready, set, go! Hurry! I'm stuck right here. Come on. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. All right, no more grabbing ducks. Ready? We're gonna count how many duckies we have each, and whoever has the most wins. And if you get the smiley face rubber ducky, you get a bonus point.
All right, after counting mine up, I got 34.
Oh dang, I got 32, but I got the smiley face ducky, so I get a point.
I only got 23, but I also got a smiley face ducky. I got 18, but no smiley faces. Let's go see what's next.
All right, each of us has a point except for Canyon, but it's okay, because this next round is worth 3 points. We're gonna do a race. Whoever can get there and back the fastest wins 3 points. We're gonna play rock, paper, scissors to see who goes first. Ready?
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Paper covers rock. I get to go first. I choose the sloth, and we get oars to help us steer.
3, 2, 1, go! 1.
Extremely hard and definitely not what I expected it to be.
Good job, Lizzy. You got 58. I'll go next with the pineapple floaty.
Ready, set, go!
Go!
1, 2, 3.
Let me tell you, that's a lot harder than it looks.
I'm next, and I want to use the unicorn. I don't want to pop the unicorn, though. Here, Kenyon, here is your staff of direction. Thank you.
All right, ready, go, Canyon. You made it, Canyon. You and Lizzy tied.
Last but not least, Azbury with the lucky ducky.
You have to be faster than 40 to win the points, Az. Ready, set, go! 1, 2, 3.
Oh, I'm just spinning in circles. Oh, no! You're eliminated
0, and I got 1. So, altogether, Savannah has 4 points, I have 2 points, Kenyon has 1 point, and Az has 1 point. For this next game, I'm on the floaty first, and they're gonna throw rubber duckies at me, and however many I have on my floaty after 30 seconds is how many I have. I wanna get the least amount of duckies as everybody else, so I wanna get them all off my floaty before they get them all on mine. This round is worth 5 points. 30 seconds starts now! Oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no! No, 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 no! Oh, sorry! Come on! 1, 2, 3, 4! So next, we're gonna do Azbury. This round will be easy. All right, go. Oh no, I didn't make up. Oh no, oh no, no, he's in it. Oh, I made 1. Oh, I made 2. So many ducks. Oh my goodness, we're getting so many. Ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. You know how usually baby ducks follow their mommy ducks? Well, let's hope that this isn't the case. Ready, set, go! Hurry, get it on there! Get it out! Get it out! So far, I'm winning! I got 2 duckies! Good job, baby duckies! Ready, go! Go! Oh, I got one! This one's good! It's like a ball! Oh, I got one! Hurry, faster! So far, I have no ducks on me! Whoa! Whoa! 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0! I got 0 duckies on my floaty! This is our last game. Winner takes all. We're gonna make a giant wave pool, and then we're gonna see who can stay in our floaties the longest. Ready, set, go! This is so much fun! I'm trying to get to it! This is so crazy! Hey! Don't try to push me off! I'm gonna try to knock your ass off! Oh no! I fell in! I'm disqualified!
That was a close one. I'm gonna hop on the slide since Savannah's out, but I can't get wet. Oh no! I'm disqualified!
Whoa! Oh! I almost fell off! Az, come here! I want to give you a big hug! Come on!
No way! I'm not falling for that! You're gonna try to push me off!
All right, Az!
Oh no! I win! I just got 10 points for winning! I ended with 6 points.
I ended with 5 points.
I ended with 5 points too. And I won with 11 points!
Good job!
You did great! Thank you guys! And thank you guys for watching this video. Be sure to give it a big thumbs